Hi everyone, my project is text classification using logistic regression. I have two classes of data. The first one is financial data, which is obtained from some financial institutions in Turkey. These are all financial news about the companies in Turkey. And the second class of data is some random Turkish text obtained from Wikipedia website. So I fetched some random articles from Wikipedia Turkish website and used as the second class. And the first thing I did was to extract the features. So for feature extraction, I used the bag of words approach. So I simply counted the number of occurrences of the words in each document. And secondly, I applied term frequency inverse document frequency technique. So I calculated the term frequency and inverse document frequency. And by doing that, I normalized for the more common words, which are not very useful for text classification, and also for more useful words. And after that, I trained a model that use logistic regression. And for the logistic regression, I used L1 regularization for the penalty. And I set the C parameter of L1 regularization to be 10 after a number of experiments. And to determine which part of my data will be test and the rest of will be train, I used cross-validation method, k-fold cross-validation. So I actually use 5 groups. So in each iteration, one of the 5 groups is test data and the rest of the data is my train data. And I obtain some performance metrics. So I calculated the F1 score, and to be able to calculate the F1 score, I also calculated the recall and precision metrics. So as you can see, the mean value of the cross-validation iterations, the F1 score is 0.98, which is really high. So it's a good thing. And the other metric is accuracy. For logistic regression applications, the accuracy can be determined by the area under the ROC curve. So here you can see the ROC curve, and since my F1 score is really high, the area under the ROC curve is also really high, so which is also a good thing. And by doing this application, logistic regression fit the problem real well and it performed well. And the next step would be to identify more classes among the financial texts so that we can extract more meaningful classifications. And the direction of the study would be trying to predict the change in stock price change of a company given the financial news about that company.